When you have oily skin, you cannot get by with just using cream products in the summer. Having oily skin can be such a struggle. You want your makeup to last all day long, but you feel like it is slipping right off your face. And the key is to prep your skin and set it properly. So I'm gonna start out with the REFY Oil Control Face Primer. This applicator looks so nice. I like how this is super lightweight, so it's not gonna feel too heavy on the skin. That's definitely not something you want during the summer. And it's giving my skin such a nice glow. So the foundation that I'm going to use is from HAUS Labs. This is the Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. I love this foundation for many reasons. It's not too heavy on the skin, and I like that it contains Arnica. I have very acne-prone skin, so my face tends to be a little red, but just look at that coverage. Another thing that I like about this foundation is that it's very buildable, so you can use as little or as much as you'd like without it caking up. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer. I like using the Kosas Brightening Concealer under my eyes. And for the rest of my face, I like to use the HAUS Labs concealer. Just like the foundation, this concealer is not too heavy. It has the perfect amount of coverage, which is exactly what we need when it's hot outside. And I find that this covers up blemishes really well. Now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. I really like the Makeup by Mario bronzer. It's super lightweight and looks so natural on the skin. This bronzer seriously blends in like butter. It just becomes one with your skin. And now it is time for my favorite part, blush. This is the Westman Atelier Cream Blush. And I just apply this on the high points of my cheeks and a little bit on the nose because it's the summer and we want to look sun-kissed. So for me, the key to keeping my makeup lasting all day long is layering powder on top of my creams. So I'm gonna go in with the HAUS Labs Powder Bronzer, and adding this layer of powder just really keeps everything in place. And now I'm going in with some powder blush. This is from Tower 28. I am obsessed with this cool tone baby pink color for the summer. And if you ask me, there's no such thing as too much blush. And even though I'm adding all these layers of powder, you can still see a glow shining through. Okay, so setting your face is key. This is what really ties it all together and keeps your makeup in place. So I'm going to use the Sephora Collection 12-Hour Setting and Mattifying Powder. Even though this is a mattifying powder, I love that it doesn't make my skin feel too dry. And just look at that difference. I mean, it is insane. It truly just feels like I'm wearing nothing on my skin. And to finish everything off, I'm going to end with setting spray. This is the new One Size Until Dawn SPF setting spray. I am so excited about this product. It is launching just in time for the summer. And this is the final look. I am obsessed with how it turned out.